Hello and welcome to another episode of Davina's Recipes for Life. In this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to make Paneer Shashlik. And it's a very interesting recipe. It comes with a really flavorful yellow rice. So this one here is said to have had Turkish origins, but it's also famous in Russia. It's usually prepared with meat, but due to the large number of vegetarians in India, it became popular when made with paneer. This one is very similar to kebabs and is served in a bed of steamed rice. So the first thing we're going to do is prepare our marinade. This one is Mediterranean, but if you want an Indian touch, you'll add a little bit of tandoori masala powder, 1 teaspoon, available online or with any Indian grocer. For this recipe, you'll need some za'atar seasoning, half a teaspoon, red chili powder, half a teaspoon, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. We'll blend that into a paste. Garam masala, half to 1 teaspoon. Ground cumin, half to 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. A dash of oregano or any other Italian herbs. A dash of ground black pepper. And 1 to 2 tablespoon olive oil. So what you're going to do now is add all your spices, your garlic paste and everything into your yogurt. I have about a quarter to a half cup of yogurt, about maybe 50-60 grams like that. You're also going to add in your oregano as I've shown you, salt, pepper, and your olive oil. Mix everything well and then you're going to keep it aside. Now I also added a little bit of ground turmeric, about half a teaspoon for color. I'm going to mix everything in. And then I have a marinade already. So I'm just going to add about 100 grams of paneer. I'm cutting it into cubes first. And then I'm going to add it into my marinade and give it a good mix. And then I'm going to set it aside for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight for best results. Alternatively, you can use mushrooms or cauliflower as you wish, but you will have to be aware that those require different ways of preparing it compared to paneer. So just be aware of that. Next, we're going to prepare our yellow rice. I have about 3/4 cup or 90 grams of basmati rice, which I'll wash and soak for 20 minutes. And then I have some spices as well, 1 to 2 cloves, 1 small stick of cinnamon, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, and 4 strands of saffron. So let's add our rice in, followed by enough water to submerge, followed by the whole spices that I'd shown you earlier. And next you're also going to add in a pinch of ground turmeric for color, salt to taste, and about 1 to 2 teaspoons of desi ghee or Indian clarified butter. If you want, you can use normal butter or oil. So you're going to cover and let your rice cook for around 30 to 45 minutes, or just use your white rice setting. After that, you're going to prepare your regular garlic and spicy garlic sauce. This is normally served with shashlik and rice, but you may skip it if you don't really need it. So what I'm going to do is first prepare my spicy garlic sauce. I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of sour cream into a bowl. To that, I will be adding in 1 tablespoon egg-free mayonnaise or veganese. And then I'm going to follow it with some chili garlic sauce, around 1 tablespoon, and then I'm going to mix everything. Next, I'm going to make my regular garlic sauce. Same thing, I'll take 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 1 tablespoon egg-free mayonnaise. And I'm going to mix everything with regular garlic. To that, I will be adding in some salt and pepper as well. Don't forget to add a little za'atar in it as well. Now I'm going to get on to cooking my protein and vegetables. So I'm going to heat a little bit of oil and then add in my paneer pieces. If you want, you can use some mock chicken as well. I did that. I used the same marination process for that. It remains the same as paneer, and the brand that I used was something called Yi Das Sing. This is a Malaysian based brand. I like to go for that one normally when I cook. You will also be needing some bell peppers and onions. I used about a 1/4 cup or 60 grams of all the colors of pepper, as well as half a red onion, and I cut them into chunks for the skewers. So I've already gotten them also into our pan. So just basically saute everything as you see fit. And then you're going to skewer your paneer, your bell peppers, and your onions as I've done over here, just to show you. And here are some nice ready skewers, and I'm going to grill them until I get a nice smoky char. Caution, you need to handle the open flames with care because they're dangerous. Alternatively, you can do it directly on the grill, or you can do it on an open flame on your gas stove. Now, in order to serve it, we will arrange the rice first, and then arrange the shashlik skewers near the rice, and then serve it with our sauce, and garnish this with chopped mint leaves, fried onions, and both our sauces. And there you have it, guys. Nice shashliks and yellow rice. You will enjoy it at parties and dinners with loved ones. If you make it the way that I have, you will surely love it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with another really good recipe.